Earn money online. $50 a day now. How to make $50 a day fast. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money online, you're in luck. In this article, we'll show you how you can make $50 a day by doing simple tasks that only take a few minutes to complete. You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. How to make $50 a day online. There are many ways to make money online. You can start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or even sell products and services. One of the best ways to make money online is to start a blog. You can write about anything that interests you and build an audience of loyal readers. Once you have a large following, you can start earning money from advertising and affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money online is to create a YouTube channel. You can create videos about anything that interests you and build a following of loyal subscribers. Once you have a large following, you can start earning money from advertising and sponsorships. If you have a skill or talent, you can also start selling products and services online. This can be anything from design services to coaching programs. There are many platforms that allow you to sell your products and services, such as Fiverr and Upwork. No matter what method you choose, there are many ways to make money online. Just be sure to pick something that interests you and that you are passionate about. With hard work and dedication, you can start earning money within weeks. Ways to make money online. There are many ways to make money online. You can start a blog and sell advertising, become an affiliate for other companies, or sell products of your own. There are also many opportunities to provide services such as web design, SEO, social media marketing, and more. If you want to make money online, you need to be willing to put in the work. There are no shortcuts to making money online. You need to be patient and persistent. However, if you are willing to work hard, you can certainly make a lot of money online. One of the best ways to make money online is to start a blog. This can be a very effective way to earn an income, especially if you choose a profitable niche. If you can build up a large following, you can earn a significant amount of money from advertising or affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money online is to provide services such as web design, SEO, social media marketing, or copywriting. If you have the skills and expertise in these areas, you can easily find clients who are willing to pay you for your services. So if you want to make money online, there are certainly many ways to do it. You just need to be. How to make money online fast. There are a few different ways to make money online fast. One way is to sell products or services online. This can be done through platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Another way to make money online is to provide freelance services. This could involve anything from writing articles to design work. There are a number of different platforms that offer freelance services, such as Upwork and Freelancer. Finally, another way to make money online is to create a blog or website and monetize it with advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Of course, there are many other ways to make money online. However, these are some of the quickest and most effective ways to start earning an income online. How to make money online for beginners. There are many ways to make money online. However, not all of them are suitable for beginners. This guide will show you how to make money online for beginners in a way that is both easy and effective. One of the easiest ways to make money online is to start a blog. You can do this even if you have no previous experience or technical knowledge. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Once you have set up your blog, you can start writing articles on any topic that interests you. You can then monetize your blog by signing up for Google AdSense or another advertising program. Another way to make money online is to sell products or services. If you have a skill or talent that others are willing to pay for, you can start making money by offering your services online. For example, you could start a freelance writing business or offer your services as a virtual assistant. There are many other ways to make money online. However, these are two of the easiest methods for beginners. If you follow these tips, you should be able to start earning money within a few weeks. Conclusion. You can make extra money online by doing the things you love. You don't have to be an expert or have a lot of money to start making money online. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. There are many ways to make money online, but we're going to focus on one way that you can make $50 a day. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next series.